Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 30 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to the settings in the left upper corner. Then let's scroll and find the timer. And now choose one of the options, so 10, 5 or 3 seconds. So let me choose 10 seconds. Now we can go back. As you can see, we've got this timer icon inside the shutter button. So let's simply tap on it, and from now on your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Alright, so this is how it works. Of course you can turn this option off, so go to the settings, tap on the timer and tap on off. And from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.